Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into the IS Clinical Smooth and Soothe Clinical Facial Set. This is a home facial kit designed specifically for dry skin, promising a combination of exfoliation and deep hydration. It's a gel-based collection that aims to provide both physical and biochemical exfoliation to smooth and polish your skin, all while delivering intense moisture. So let's see how it holds up in real life. Right off the bat, IS Clinical is known for their professional-grade skincare, so expectations are high. This set combines several steps into one regimen: exfoliating and hydrating, targeting dry skin with a balance of gentle physical scrubs and chemical exfoliants. The product line leans on active ingredients that are safe yet effective, which is important because dry skin can be sensitive to harsh treatments. The formulation is a gel, which usually means it absorbs quickly without feeling heavy or greasy. In terms of usability, I incorporated this kit into my evening skincare routine over a couple of weeks. The exfoliating step felt quite gentle, yet it did a noticeable job at removing dead skin without irritation. That biochemical exfoliation, likely from fruit enzymes or mild acids, worked well alongside the physical exfoliation, which felt finely milled, not abrasive. After exfoliating, the hydrating gel step really stood out. It absorbed easily, leaving my skin feeling plump and refreshed, instead of tight or dry, which can sometimes happen with exfoliation products. The texture was smooth and lightweight, perfect for layering under a moisturizer or sleeping mask. One thing I appreciated was how this kit made exfoliation feel approachable for dry skin types, which often have to be careful about over-exfoliating. The packaging made it simple to follow the steps correctly, so there was no confusion. However, if you have ultra-sensitive skin, I'd still recommend a patch test because even gentle exfoliants can sometimes cause mild redness. The kit is intended for at-home use, but carries that professional vibe, so it's a great option if you want a more clinical experience without heading to a spa. Now the pros. The dual exfoliation method is smart and effective without overdoing it. The hydration component is genuinely nourishing, and the gel texture feels modern and fresh. Packaging is sleek and practical, which makes the kit feel premium. On the flip side, the price point is on the higher end, which might not suit every budget. Also, if you prefer your exfoliation separate from hydration steps, this combined regimen might feel a bit too streamlined for you. Lastly, because it's a gel, it might not provide enough moisture alone for extremely dry or mature skin without an additional cream layered on top. Speaking of value, this kit delivers high-quality ingredients and a well-thought-out regimen that justifies its price for those serious about maintaining healthy, exfoliated, and hydrated skin. It stands out compared to drugstore exfoliants that often lack that biochemical exfoliation and hydrating follow-up. If you're used to professional treatments or looking to replicate that kind of facial at home, this product definitely hits the mark. If you're exploring alternatives, there are more affordable exfoliation sets available, but they tend to miss the balance of gentle physical plus biochemical exfoliation and deep hydration. This IS Clinical Kit feels like an investment in both science and skincare experience. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and hygienic, which adds to the overall feel of luxury. The gel formulation holds up well over time with no separation or change in texture, so it's reliable for long-term use. I haven't had direct contact with customer support for this product, but IS Clinical generally has a strong reputation for responsive service and quality assurance. If this review is helping you decide, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this honest take. Your support means the world and helps keep these reviews coming. To wrap it up, the IS Clinical Smooth and Soothe Clinical Facial Kit delivers a professional-level exfoliation and hydration experience tailored for dry skin. It's effective, gentle, and designed with quality ingredients that justify the price for those who want a serious skincare upgrade at home. If your skin is dry and you want that smooth, polished look without irritation, this set is definitely worth considering. Have you tried this kit? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going. And if not, feel free to ask me any questions you have about it. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.